Today, we will talk about the hottest planet in the solar system.
I wonder why Venus is the hottest planet even though Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun.
The reason that Venus is hotter than Mercury is that it has an atmosphere made of carbon dioxide. It also has clouds of acid inside the atmosphere. This thick atmosphere makes the surface of Venus hotter because the heat doesn't escape back into space. This is known as the greenhouse effect. Time for some interesting facts. An interesting fact is that it took many failed missions to actually land on Venus. But in 1981, the Venera 13 mission made it through the hot layers of the atmosphere and landed on its surface. It managed to keep from burning up for 127 minutes and sent color pictures back of the surface of Venus. Then the transmission stopped as the Venera 13 melted.
Thank you. Tap on the link in bio to learn about more such videos.